today we are going to have a viewing. Yeah, so as you know, all good things come to an end. And this car, I mean, we have done so much videos over the years, you know, like changing out this and that. And there's another person talking. Yeah, so now you know why the videos are taking a while now. Yeah, so let's just cut this short. Okay, we're going to show you the car that we're viewing today, and we're going to sell the BMW soon. Okay, so before we start, guys, please like and subscribe. Yeah, we appreciate that. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so right now we are test driving the car in the car park. A little intimidating because this is a very big and tall car. It's slightly different from the BMW, but far seems okay. Let's do a short pull. Huh? Feels very big. Oh. Very tall. Cool, right? No trick. So far so good. So one of the bolt is stripped and half the bolt is stuck inside. That's what the mechanic told me. And there's a small leak over here, which is from slightly above. Yeah, so right now I'm with the mechanic looking at every single leak and everything, hoping that the car is all good to go. So right now we're going for the test drive. Yep, so a backstory about this car. Yep, so we are getting this car soon. Yeah, so this is a pre-purchase inspection. So what happens is, you pay a workshop, and then the senior mechanic usually will, like scrutinize and check every single detail about the car and make sure that you're getting a good car. Yeah, so right now we're going for the test drive. Yeah, he's coming in soon, so we'll show a bit of clips here.